Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I have something that instantly caught my attention, the Powder Kiss lipstick by M.A.C in the shade Kinda Soar-Ta. This is a 3-gram lipstick that promises a soft, romantic hue with a weightless, almost ethereal feel on your lips. It's part of M.A.C's reinvented matte collection, designed to give you a soft matte, blurred finish that feels comfortable while still making a statement. So, what makes this lipstick stand out? The Powder Kiss formula is all about moisture. Unlike traditional mattes that can feel drying, this one is formulated to keep your lips conditioned while delivering that iconic hazy, diffused look. The shade Kinda Soar-Ta is a gentle, rosy tone that's subtle enough for everyday wear, yet elegant enough to elevate your makeup game. Plus, it's cruelty-free and unisex, so it's perfect for anyone who wants a beautiful, soft matte finish without compromising on ethics. When I tested it out, I immediately noticed how lightweight it felt. Applying it is effortless. Whether you swipe it directly or use it as a backdrop for a diffused gradient look, it blends seamlessly. The soft matte texture gives this slightly blurred effect that makes lips look naturally fuller without being overpowering. And honestly, the hydration factor is real. My lips felt comfortable for hours, with none of that tight, dry feeling you sometimes get from a matte. Of course, no product is perfect. On the plus side, the formula is incredibly wearable, the shade is universally flattering, and the soft matte finish looks modern and chic. On the downside, because it's so lightweight and soft, it's not the most long-lasting lipstick out there. You may need a touch-up after a few hours, especially if you're eating or drinking. Packaging is classic M.A.C, sleek, durable, and travel-friendly, so it won't be a hassle to carry in your purse. Value-wise, you're paying for that signature M.A.C quality. The formula, the pigmentation, and the wearability are all in line with industry standards. If you're someone who prioritizes comfort and a diffused, romantic matte look, it's worth the investment. If you're after bold, intense color that lasts all day without touch-ups, you might need to layer or combine it with a lip liner for extra staying power. Compared to other soft matte formulas on the market, M.A.C's Powder Kiss stands out because it balances pigment with hydration. A lot of soft matte lipsticks can veer too sheer or feel dry, but this one manages to hit that sweet spot. Alternatives in the same category could include NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment or Charlotte Tilbury's KISE lipsticks, but for the soft, blurred effect with a lightweight feel, M.A.C's formula really delivers. So, who is this for? Anyone who loves a romantic, soft matte look that feels as good as it looks. It's particularly great for those who want a natural, effortless vibe without sacrificing the elegance of a matte lipstick. And if you're curious about layering it for different effects, it's super versatile for that too. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've tried the Powder Kiss lipstick in Kinda Soar-Ta, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and how it works in your routine. Links to grab this product can be found in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.